December 26, 2013. Gabby's first snowstorm. How you like it, Pumpkin? Is it cold? Yeah. Yeah. You're a sweetie. Be careful. Oh! Turn this way and the wind won't blow in your face, love. Woo! Yeah. The last week of 2012 and we're getting this level of snow. It's crazy. It's been in the 70s. And now this. Look at this. Oh. Look, Gabby, what do you think? We are snowed in. Look at Dada. He's getting us out.
Wheels are already out.
Say hi, Dada.
Hi.
Woo. Oh, Daddy's car is parked over there at the neighbor's? Yeah, that way it's not on the street. It's at Ray's house. Yeah, it's at Ray's house. Your neighbor? Woo-wee! Go jump in that snow, Gabby. Go jump in that big snow pile. Go jump. Oh, it's cold. Help you? I can't help you. You're way out there. Careful, careful. Help you up. I'll help you up. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Glove crisis. Keep your gloves on. There you go, love. Whoa! Hey, do you think Frosty the Snowman's out today? Do you think Frosty is out today? Frosty the Snowman? Frosty the Snowman. How does he go? Show me. Does he go thumpity thump thump thumpity thump? Thumpity thump thump thumpity thump. Look at Frosty go. All right. Gabby, what? You can't see?
No.
I know, it's hard. It's hard to see, isn't it?